Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all of the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. And so today's vlog, you guys, is going to be a busy mom life vlog. Y'all, so many things are happening in this vlog. So if you want to see what all we get into on this edition of a busy mom day in the life, then definitely keep on watching.
Well, good morning, beautiful people. Today is January 2nd. And we have a busy day. I have on no makeup. I'm in my cookie lab because Nora is watching Baby Shark up front, and so I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, so today is a busy day. The kids go back to school Thursday, January 4th, and then I start work tomorrow, which is January 3rd. So on the agenda for today is I definitely need to clean and get my office organized because I'll have equipment. Get the kids situated for a week of school because Nora goes to school tomorrow. I'm letting her stay home today. She really could go today, but she's going tomorrow. Joe is actually at work. I'm trying a new recipe, which is smash burger tacos. It's not a new recipe, but it's new to y'all because I haven't made it on camera. But yeah, so doing smash burger tacos, and I don't know if I said I had to do Leah's hair, but do Leah's hair. Wash book bags, just pretty much like get this house back in order. Since yesterday was New Year's, I didn't take the trash out or start the dishwasher or start a load of clothes or any of that. And so I'll be doing that today. And then I also need to figure out, I have tons of toys in my trunk that I want to donate to a needy family or to a shelter. So I need to find out which shelters are open so that way I can do that. So yeah, a busy day, but hopefully you guys are having a great new year thus far. Oh, and I need to edit a video so that way it can go up today, and I have a cookie order. Yeah. But yeah, I'm hoping that you guys are having an amazing new year thus far. And I pray that all of your visions on your vision board or all the goals that you have set for yourself come true this year tenfold. So yeah, so getting ready to go get this day started, finish all the things that I need to finish because by 6 o'clock, I want to be chilling. So I can't do that by sitting here with y'all. So come on, let's go get this stuff done.
All right, y'all. So I am in the kitchen, as you can see, and I'm giving the stove a clean. I'm using my Pine Sol cleaner that my little concoction. So it's just Pine Sol, water, and then like a drop or two of Dawn dish soap. So I'm just giving this a clean because I got some new stovetop cleaner. I got it from Target. It's the Easy Off stovetop cleaner, which y'all are gonna see in just a pair of seconds. But I got that so I could give it a try because y'all know I use Easy Off on my stove anyways. But I seen the glass top cleaner and I was like, you know what? Let's give it a try. And so I want y'all to see the results and see if it really works or not. And y'all let me know what y'all use on your glass top stove to get it nice and clean and get all that burnt food off of it as well. I love to hear what y'all use in the comment section below.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me?
Y'all know I typically do a dessert of the week. And so this dessert this week is going to be a pound cake. Y'all, I got this recipe off of Facebook. It's Johnny Ruth's pound cake. And y'all, this thing is absolutely delicious. I made this for New Year's and we still have a little bit left over, as you can see. So that's what I'm eating for breakfast. And y'all don't judge me, but this is definitely breakfast of the champions. And I'm just going to top this off with a Dr. Pepper. Y'all know I drink Dr. Pepper once a day, first thing. Either I drink Dr. Pepper or I drink a cup of coffee. And this morning I needed Dr. Pepper, so that's what I'm drinking.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move.
Alright y'all, so I just finished rolling and cutting my cookie order. So she wants a happy birthday plaque, which are these, and she also wants the number 6. So these plaques right here will be the number 6, and then these right here are going to be party hats with a yellow fondant star. So yeah, so she asked for a total of 20 cookies, but I do not do cookies in those increments. I always do by the dozen, but she's a day one cookie lover, so I always give her extra anyways. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. All right, y'all, so I've left this on here longer than the 60 seconds, so we're gonna see what it does. It says that it shouldn't be any scrubbing, but as y'all can see, let's see what it does. And so this does give a good shine. It does give a good shine, but y'all look, it's still stuff on here. And so, I mean, for shine, and definitely give it an 8. but for overall, I'm gonna give it about a 3 because I left it on here longer than what it said. And on top of that, it still left all of this on here. And it says no scrubbing, but in fact I did. So, yeah, definitely 2.53. All right, y'all, so it is 12:58. I've just finished editing a video and now I'm getting ready to eat lunch. And so I just got some Pringles here. I got me a bacon and ham sandwich. And then got me my Dr. Pepper from this morning that I was drinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. After I finish eating this, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle Leah's hair. And then we should be good to go. All right, y'all, so I finished Leah's hair. Y'all, it looks so good. So I did 50-inch hair, and then she wanted the zigzags in the front. My baby looking cute. She said she don't want to show her face, but y'all see it. Hair done by me. Jess does hair.
All right, y'all, so it is dinner time, and like I mentioned, I am fixing smash burger tacos. And so I just have 1 pound of ground beef. I am seasoning it with some Weber's burger seasoning and some minced onion, and then also going in with a little bit of pepper and garlic powder, and then some Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just gonna give that a mix, and mix it all up, make sure it gets incorporated, and then make sure I season it as needed. The burger seasoning has just enough of pepper and salt and, just their own little seasonings that you don't really need to add that much. And so what you'll do is, like I said, you'll season this, and then you'll roll all of your ground beef out into balls. And then I am just using some tortillas, and I am going to take those meatballs that are rolled up, smash them into the tortilla, and then I'm just going to cook those on the griddle. I'll flip them and call it a day. Now, I do make a special sauce with these smash burger tacos, so I just mix ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise and give it a special sauce. And then you can also top this off with lettuce, tomato, cheese, pickles, and make it your own. I did some with cheese, some without. Leah and the girls like pickles, but not on their burgers, and so just left it the way that it was. So definitely give this recipe a try. It's very quick and easy. This recipe from start to finish was probably about 30 minutes. It probably would have been less had I not been running my mouth and vlogging, but yeah, it took about 30 minutes, and that's a quick and easy dinner, especially for those nights when you don't feel like cooking. Also, these make really good items for your kids' lunch, so you can make the burger taco either the night before or the day or the day of, and then you can just have all the condiments in like little ramekins and call it a day. Had to get Leah to help me just because I did have the gloves on and I didn't want to cross-contaminate. But yeah, y'all, definitely keep this recipe in mind. I'll have it linked, not linked, but I will have it laid out in the description box below.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
All right, y'all, so got my smash burger tacos. So I'm waiting for my griddle to warm up. Once it warms up, then I'm gonna go ahead and add these. I'm gonna eat leftovers, so I fixed 8. This should be enough for them tonight, and a little bit tomorrow. I start work tomorrow, so I'm not trying to cook I only have to cook one other day this week, and then Friday we are going to Firehouse because I have coupons and that expire on the 5th. So on the 5th we're going to Firehouse, but for tonight definitely smash burger tacos.
You got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your winner. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way.
Alright, y'all, so it's about 11 o'clock at night at this time, and I have finished doing the first set of icing on these cookies, and I'm gonna let these dry overnight and then finish them in the morning.
Well, y'all, the smash burger tacos were a hit. I forgot to come back to y'all and end the vlog, but yeah, y'all, that's pretty much like my little day in a snippet. And then I need to go ahead and get this vlog edited so I can get it out for you guys for Wednesday. And so I hope you guys like the vlog. It may have been a little bit all over the place, but it is definitely a day in the life. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.